Just our average Monday fun day, walking around with the baby, the construction in the back, and Lyric playing. We're gonna get ready to go to the library soon, right buddy? Because we gotta go return some books. Oh, Link is getting tired, so it's perfect timing. We'll get in the car and then he'll fall asleep. Are you done sleeping? Because I'm trying to read. Lincoln. Hi. It says it's a log loader.
Twaddle. Yodel. Tamine. Twaddle. Bit combine. Wow, motion sheet tough. An avenue, a freestyle, a soup wow, a fire truck. Wow.
Water balloons?
I need a present.
One day you'll play with it.
I want to play with it now.
You want to play with it now? And right now we have a sand gravel pit of these lovely patio stones are going to go on. Eventually this will be a nice barbecue smoker area for Ty. It'll be awesome. But right now it's a great sand pit for Lyric, so that's a lot of fun. You gonna show us what's going on with the cement truck? Jump! Nice. On top of it. Okay, we gotta rock the baby here. That is a huge apple. It's humongous.
Not humongous. For you all.
A lunch of champions. Protein snack and craft dinner. And I actually take it and I made a chickpea cheese sauce. So it's got beans in it and stuff so that it hides lots of those goodness things, and then I froze it in a little ice cube tray and I mixed it into this lovely pot of craft dinner. Say, have a good nappy time.
Have a nappy time.
Yeah.